No, I'm over. Mommy. No, Mommy.
Hi, Spencer.
No, Mommy.
Hi, Spencer.
Oh.
Hey, Spencer. Can you say Daddy's favorite word? Can you say Tylenol?
No.
Hey Spencer, look what kind of socks Daddy's wearing. This is socks Santa brought Daddy.
Santa. Santa brought you a penguin and Daddy some socks. How fair is that?
6 pairs of identical socks. Yeah.
Hey, Spencer, does Santa have reindeer?
No.
Does Santa have reindeer?
No.
He doesn't have reindeer. He does have reindeer. Hey, Spencer, can you say jingle bells? Spencer, can you say jingle bells?
No, Auntie.
Can you say jingle bells? Can you sing jingle bells? Hey.
I want to go.
Yeah, can you sing jingle bells?
No.
Just for a second. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Please. Spencer. Please.
No.
No, you don't want to sing jingle bells. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Go.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
You're gonna pick your nose on camera? Sweet. Film that before I turn it off. Awesome.